Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I have my little bag, and it's actually in my car, so that I take it out. It folds into very small, a small shape. So I enjoy Portland, and I just ride my bicycle around, and I bump into a very beautiful place, and in front of it, it is written "Welcome in." So I do not know what it is. Is that an organization? It looks such a classic building. So I walk in, and I saw there are some lectures, and one thing I noticed, people have many colors of hair. In Portland, there are people has a lot of different choice of color for their hair. So, and I just walk in, and I found one young man is doing some preparation, maybe for some exhibition. So I went to him, and I asked if I can do an interview, and he allowed me. Yeah, let's see this interview. The real artist, So how did you do it?
So a big part of it is a lot of collage, a lot of charcoal, and a lot of it goes to gradient maps and just the composition in general.
Good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I came to this place. It's called PNCA. It's an art institute, and they are just doing an art installation. So I met the artist. Now let's do asking a little bit questions so that we can understand art from the artist. It's his own voice. Here is the art, and we have the artist. Maybe you can introduce yourself a little bit. Yes.
Hello, my name is Alex Sarate. I am an illustrator here at PNCA, and I have my thesis defense right now currently called The First Cyber Monarch, and more so I'm doing this for not only for me but for many of the people out there who are my people, because I am Mexican, and so I am doing this more so for the people who, you could say, need to listen to this, and those who want to understand where we're coming from, and so that's why I do this work.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, would you like to introduce one or two pieces so that you can explain a little bit of your heart, corazon, or something? Yes.
Yes, of course. I would like to talk about this one right here. So this one, within the story, we are following of an immigrant called Valeria, who happens to be moving to the U.S. in 2050. And this is a part where the U.S. has gone mad and has made a requirement to have cybernetic arms. And in this, Valeria is going through the same path, having to go to the corrupt system. And so you can see in this piece that over time it goes through this cycle where you get the new cybernetic arm, but you're losing out humanity. You're losing your human touch, you could say. And so this is what she's going to go through. And in a way, it could seem that in the U.S. right now, it could happen to.
Wow. Are you comfortable? I put it on YouTube.
This, yes.
I may not put
if you want to,
your
if you
words.
would like to, yes, because this is what I'm also going to talk about within my thesis presentation as well.
Okay.
This is out in the open. This is just sort of what my people, immigrants, Mexicans, people have gone through. And so I think it needs to be heard, just in general. Don't worry at all.
Yeah.
Yes, I am a citizen here, so
Wonderful.
all good.
Yes, yes. I think the world needs to be more understanding and uniting force, right? Are you trying to use your hand, use your art to bring people together to understand your story?
Yes. So a big part of this is having to understand our perspective, having to see what we're going through. But at the same time too, you could see a lot of this is the same emotion that any other person in America also feels. We are also human. We're not called aliens. We are not illegals. We are humans. We are like just like anyone else. We just want to experience life and do the best in our part.
Yeah. So you want to bring different voice, bring understanding. So you have friends from different backgrounds?
Yes. Many of us here, even in PNCA, have different voices, have different backgrounds. And even from my own family members, they've also had difficulties. But obviously, I'm here and using my own voice to talk about it.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, I just did this very short kind of interview or a chat. And they are doing an exhibition, and the teacher came in and said, you need to rush up and something. I just bump into, so I do not want to disturb too much. But I think this is the point of traveling, to meet with people and to hear different stories. And this makes my trip so much more interesting. If I only go to places and not hearing about people's accent, people's interesting topic, what they are interested in, what they are living for, what they are fighting for, what they are having fun with. I feel without the word communication, there is something that you just cannot touch. And that is really very, very interesting to meet with people. And it's just a random chat. And he was not prepared. I was not prepared. I just bumped into that place and met with him, and he generously allowed me to chat with him. And I promised I will make this video and send it to him and unlisted send to him. Once he approves me, I will publish. If he does not approve, you will not see this video. If you are seeing it, it's because I got the permission from him. And this place is called Pacific Northwest College of Art. It's an art institute, art college. So the place is bursting of artsy, fun, active, and very vibrant energy. I can feel it. And I walked around in their exhibition place, and I didn't chat with other people. I just want to have some. I just want to see the construction, the architectural design, and these things I just find interesting. It makes me wanting to go to school. Oh yeah, this school seems quite this is the history of the place. Started in 1905, and then from some individual artists, they want to do an art cooperative, and then started. Now become an institute. So the small seed grows like the big redwood tree we see. Everything starts small. It's just a couple of people wanting to do art, wanting to share art, wanting to beautify the country, wanting to make a voice, wanting to make a change. And it's starting. It is such a magnificent beauty. Yeah. Look at the style, Hakoko style art. There is the element of art modern art, that is symmetric, that is geometric shaped, and there is also this beautiful decoration, intricate design. They kept it so well, so good. It is such an honor, a pleasure to be inside this. Oh, I want to go there. And I put my bicycle inside this big building. My bicycle is very light, and this is the first day I forgot to bring my chain, as I said. The second day I had my chain so that I can be more flexible coming here and there. And this is the first day. Oh, look at the design. Yeah, how beautiful. That's it. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo, bye, bye.